Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabrato and welcome back to my channel Circuitation. If you are dealing with electronic items, then you should have some tools to do your work. It is important to know that what type of tools you should have if you are a maker, a electronic hobbyist like me, or want to start work with electronics. So today in this video I will show you that what type of tools you should have if you are working with electronics. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. I have launched my first product, DRM drive, which is a dual channel DC motor driver with dynamic braking. If you are participating in robotics event in TechFest, then order your DRM drive today and get up to 60% discount. You can watch the full video of DRM drive by clicking in the I button, and the purchase link of the DRM drive is in the description below. The first tool on my lab bench is a soldering station, where I have a 25-watt soldering iron, a hot air gun, 3 helping hands and a fume extractor. But if you are a beginner, you don't need a whole soldering station, but you can watch my video that how I build my DIY soldering station. Link is given in the I button. But all you need is a 25-watt soldering iron with different tips. My soldering iron is from Soldron. The soldering iron, I have been working with this from the last 4 years, and the quality of this iron is very good, but the price of this soldering iron is little bit expensive, so you can use any good quality soldering iron according to your budget. And with this you should have a decent quality solder wire. Starting from detecting problems in circuits to measuring different electrical quantities, multimeter is the main tool. I bought this multimeter in the beginning when I was a student, and it cost is 350 rupees. But on that time I didn't know how to use it properly, so on the very first day I damaged the multimeter. Then I bought this cheap multimeter, and the price of this multimeter is near about $2 or 150 rupees INR. But sometimes this meter give inaccurate result, so I would not recommend to buy this one. Now I am using the Mastec multimeter having model number MS8264. With this you can measure the temperature, frequency, capacitor value along with the voltage, current and resistance. And the cost of this multimeter is near around $26 or 2000 rupees INR. But you can get a good quality multimeter within $6 or 500 rupees. Oh, and one more thing I forget to tell, that after damaging the multimeter, after 3 years of that, I opened it and repaired it, and the good news is it is now in the working condition. Without power supply, the circuit will not able to work. So the next item on my table is a lab bench power supply. In most of the cases, a 0 to 30 volt and 0 to 3 ampere lab bench power supply is enough. But a good quality lab bench power supply is very costly. I don't have this right now, but I am building one. So the making video of the lab bench power supply will coming soon on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for that. For working in core electronic sector, you need two things. One is oscilloscope and the second one is a function generator. Oscilloscope is required for various frequency measurement, waveform visualization and lots of purposes. But it is very costly equipment that I don't even have. But I have a logic analyzer. My logic analyzer is of 8 channel. Basically, using this logic analyzer, I can visualize and measure the frequency of square wave. Not only measuring the frequency, we can also decode any type of communication protocol like I2C, SPI, UART, Modbus and many more. Some of the oscilloscope is come with inbuilt function generator. A normal 2-channel oscilloscope will cost around $250 or 19,000 rupees INR. Now coming to the function generator. Generally, function generator creates square wave, sine wave, triangular wave, tooth saw wave and in some cases pulse. But I also don't have one because it is also not cheap. Price of a decent function generator is $130 or near about 10,000 rupees INR. But I am also started making the function generator, which price will be 1/4 from the commercial one. Except these tools, any working professional should have an electric tester, a screwdrivers, a set of pliers and a wire stripper and wire cutter. in my opinion, these are the tools that a electronics engineer, a hobbyist or a maker should have. And if you want to include any other tools in this list, then you can comment down below. And as always, if you love this video, then make sure you hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you want, you can follow me in the social media. And if you are new to this channel or seeing me for the first time, then subscribe to my channel. And if you want to help me, then you can buy me a coffee, link is given in the description. And the most important thing, be creative.